Alright, I thought I'd just quickly do a video to answer this question. First off, if it's a cubic and has a minimum first and then a maximum, it's a cubic that looks like that. And so because of that, it's a negative cubic, so the gradient function will be a negative parabola. And that's sort of where I'm going to start with on this question. So first off, I'm going to say the gradient function is equal to a parabola. I don't know what the coefficient is, but 1 root, so x minus negative 1, so that's x plus 1, and x minus 3. That gives me the basic form of this parabola, okay? And then there's some information I can use to figure out a few more things. So first off, I can see that when x is 1, the gradient is 15. So I can substitute f dash of 1 equals 15. All right, so let's go. So I get 15 equals k 1 plus 1, 1 minus 3. So I get 15 is equal to k times negative 4. So k is equal to 15 over negative 4. That is a decimal which is negative 3.75, which is exactly what I expected. Because now look at this. The gradient function is a quadratic with a negative coefficient. I can now expand this, and if I do, I get this negative 3.75 is not going to change my life so much. And so I'm going to just sort of leave that as is. Okay, it's just a constant. We can leave it out the front. Now I'm going to anti-differentiate. But before I do, I probably need to expand a bit more. So I get negative 3.75x squared plus 7.5x. That's 11.25. That's plus. And so now I can anti-differentiate. And we will get add 1 to the power divided by the new power. So we'll get negative 1.25x cubed. Add 1 to the power divided by the new power plus 3.75x squared. Add 1 to the power divided by the new power 11.25x plus c. Now I can sub in one more point they give me. They give me this point here. When x is 1, the function 6. So if I substitute that in, we get 6 equals negative 1.25 1 to the 3 plus 3.75 1 to the 2, 11.25 times 1 plus c. And if you do all the magic and let the maths carry this, then you get 13.75 plus c. So c is equal to negative 7.75. And so we get our original function, f of x is equal to negative 1.25x cubed plus 3.75x squared plus 11.25x minus 7.75. Boom, boom, shake the room. And we're done.